Good morning children. Today let us see further part of playing with numbers chapter, that is subtraction of 3-digit numbers. Okay. Already here so far you have learnt about addition and subtraction of 2-digit and 3-digit numbers by reversing the order of the digits. Subtraction of 3-digit numbers you have not learnt. Today you will learn that. Addition of 3-digit numbers and addition and subtraction of 2-digit numbers already have learnt. Today you will learn how to subtract 3-digit numbers by reversing the order of the digits. So first you have to assume that let a 3-digit number be ABC. 3-digit number. Okay, ABC is 3-digit number. That can be written as 100A, A is in hundreds place, so 100A plus 10B plus C. 10B is in tens place, so 10B, C is in units place, so C. 100A plus 10B plus C you can write. After reversing the order of the digit, what do we get here? We get CBA. In any order you can change. I have changed it like this, CBA. So C is in hundreds place. So you have to multiply this is C by 100, 100C plus 10B plus A. On subtraction, if you subtract these two, so here 3 cases are there. First case is if A is greater than C, then the difference between the number is, what will be the difference, that you have to find. If A is greater than C, then you have to subtract C from A, isn't it? Because A is greater than C. So what is first A is there, where in which pattern A is first, that you have to write first. 100A plus 10B plus C, and you have to subtract this is C from this from this A, means minus 100C plus 10B plus A, write that inside the bracket, put negative sign outside the bracket, and you have to remove this bracket afterwards. Now 100A plus 10B plus C minus bracket is there, open that bracket. At that time all these plus signs will change into minus sign, minus 100C minus 10B minus A. Next 100A is there, minus A is there, so 99A you will get, plus 10B minus 10B is there, both will get cancelled. Next plus C is there, minus 100C is there, so minus 99C. 99 is common, so keep that outside, inside the bracket A minus C you will get. So what is the conclusion here? If A is greater than C, then you will get 99, the sum or the difference you will get is 99 into A minus C. If you divide this by 99, you will get A minus C, which is your quotient. That is your quotient. And that is equals to, quotient is equal to A minus C. While solving the problems you will come to know what this A minus C is. Next, once again, if C is greater than A, second case this is, if C is greater than, in a 3-digit number here, ABC, if C is greater than A, what you have to do? Then the difference is 100C first, here you have taken 100A, 10BC. Here you have to take 100C, 10B plus A. A should come last. Then from that you have to subtract 100A plus 10B plus C. Like this you have to subtract. Same method you have to follow. 10B plus 10B minus 10B you will get cancelled. 100C minus C is there, 99C you will get, plus A minus 100A minus 99A you will get. 99 is common, C minus A. In this case 99 minus C minus A. In first case, if A is greater than C, at that time your quotient will be A minus C. If C is greater than A, at that time your quotient will be C minus A. You have to divide, if you divide this by 99, in every case you have to divide by 99 only. only, and your quotient is c minus a with 0 remainder. And third case is if a is equals to c, difference is 0. Okay, this is the method of subtraction of 3-digit number by reversing the order of the digits. So you have to note down this in your fair note. Now let us see related examples. And related to subtraction of 2-digit and addition of 2-digit and 3-digit numbers, there may be some doubt for some children. So I have sent solved examples in your group. Yesterday I have sent that. Still, if there is any doubt, you can contact me personally, or after this, after teaching this, let us keep one video for solving the problems related to all type. Addition of subtraction, addition of 2-digit numbers, then 3-digit numbers, subtraction of 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. Now let us see examples related to this. Example 1. Let a number is equal to b or is equal to 623. Here answer, here see 623 is there. 6 is in hundreds place, means if this number is ABC, then A is equals to 6, B is equals to 2, C is equals to 3 according to general rule, isn't it? So here A is greater than C. A is greater than C. A is 6, C is 3. So here A is greater than C. That is 6 is greater than 3. Therefore, what you have to write according to the rule? You have to find the difference of 100 A plus 10B plus C minus 100 C plus 10B plus A. That is equal to 100 into 6 plus 10 into B value is 2 and C value is 3 minus 100 into C is 3, then 10 into B is 2 and A is 6. Like this you have to write. Now what? 600 plus 20 plus 3 minus, see here outside the bracket negative sign is there. So all the terms inside the bracket carries negative sign only here. So 100 into 3, 300 minus 20 minus 6 plus 20 minus 20. Both will get cancelled. Now this is plus 600, this is plus 3. So 603 you will get, and here minus 300 minus 6. So minus 306 is equal. Okay, is equal. What is the difference? Here 297. Difference is 297. Divide the sum by, divide the sum by 99. Quotient is equal to 297 divided by 99 is equal to 3. Is equal to 3, which is equal to, here A minus C, no? Your answer is, which is equal to A minus C. C, A is 6, so C is 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. Your answer is also 3. Like this you will get the answer. Let us see another example. Example 2. Let a number be 429. Now here see, C is greater than A. Here C is greater than A. Therefore, what you have to write? Here C minus A, you will get answer, means 100 into 9 plus 10 into 2 plus 4. Okay, C B A minus 100 into A plus 10 into 2 plus 9, means that which form? In general form, this is C, no, 100C plus 10B plus A minus 100A. 100A is 4, you have to write 100A plus 10B plus C, like that. Open the bracket. Here you will get 900 plus 20 plus 4, and similar to that minus sign for all terms. Here 400 minus 20 minus 9 you will get. Plus 20 minus 20 get cancelled. Then 900 plus 4, 904 minus 400 to minus 9 minus 409 is equal to, answer is 495. 495. Divide by 99. According to the general rule, you have to divide by 99 for the result, isn't it? For the difference. Now the answer is how much? Answer you will get 99 divided by 495 divided by 90 means your number is 9. No? 9 minus 4 means 5. So you should get 5 here. Answer your 5 is, answer is 5 here, means 99. You can check, see, 495 divided by 99 means 3 3s are 3 3s are 3 1s are 3 6 are 3 5s are over. Then 3 1s are 3 1s are 3 5s are 3 5s are 11 1s are 11 5s is equal to 5. That is C minus, which is equal to C minus A with no remainder. With no remainder. Okay, like this you have to solve the problems related to this. Okay, now in next video let us try the problems related both addition and subtraction of 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. Now I sent homework questions related to this, that you have to practice. If there is any doubt, in next video we are going to solve more examples. No, at that time you will get clear idea. Okay children, thank you.